We started this mushroom kit a couple of weeks ago, and we'll check the actual date, and nothing much happened for a while. We were getting really nervous, but it's gone from barely pinning to this in like 5 days. So now it's time to actually pull this off. And I read the instructions like 2 or 3 times, and it's still scary. There we go. It's coming off. Yay! There we go. And we have some other little ones in here. So I'll keep spraying that and see if we get some more to come out of there. But there we are. Shrooms. Very cool. They smell wonderful. We have mushrooms. We've been wanting to grow mushrooms for a long time, so this was a great, relatively inexpensive, crazy way to try it without having to learn all kinds of amazing things. So there we go.
Well, you know, the thing is that you and I have the skill to do cultures and all those kinds of things because we both have the biology and chemistry background.
Right. And we've actually watched a couple of people that what they're doing is they're using their pressure canners to actually sterilize media to be able to grow mushrooms. And then you can buy the mushroom inoculants from a couple of different companies and set up your own bags basically. But we figured this would be a really great way to try it and see if we could possibly make it work because we're such a dry environment that we weren't 100% sure. Most people have fairly controlled environments when they do this. So yeah, but we just proved to ourselves that we can make it work, so that's very cool. Oyster mushrooms are a pretty user-friendly variety. They're not super fragile in terms of temperatures and stuff like that. So, and there's a bunch of different kinds. These are going to be delicious. Get brave. Start with a kit, and you too can grow mushrooms.
And we harvested this beautiful flush of oyster mushrooms just a few minutes ago. And it's not quite enough to make a big meal out of, but I think we can have a really tasty appetizer of some sauteed mushrooms. So that's what I'm going to do. I've just removed the base. Now I'm going to break the mushrooms off. These small ones I'm going to go ahead and saute whole. Boy, those are really, really fresh. They sound great.
You could have cut them sooner, but you'd have had to rush.
I'd have had to cut them right off the block.
Yeah, exactly. Hope that is good. The flavor is amazing.
There are a few things better than the fresh sauteed mushroom. You should try growing some yourself. It's easy. Well, as long as you have a reasonable temperature house, it's easy. Our kitchen was cool, so it took longer for these mushrooms to pin and to grow. But once they started growing, they grew like crazy. Thanks for watching.